Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful. But check this out, you love changes everything. You seriously need to see that. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it is super lightweight and durable, I was completely sold. It is super practical for everyday use cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it delivers outstanding results, instantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Let's be completely honest, finding the